episode of GT2 Car Reviews, and today I'm going to be reviewing a product that I just got from Amazon, 12-volt car jump starter. And I bought it because I know all winter I wasn't able to start the Mustang, and I kept tired of using jumper cables to jump it, so I figured, alright, I'll go ahead and pull the trigger and grab this thing and see how it works. Now it cost me $69 and some change, so it was pretty expensive, but since the car battery in the Mustang kept dying because I wasn't driving it, I don't want to drive it in the winter here in the East Coast. In Maryland, you got salt and all the crap on the road, and I didn't want to put that car in that kind of situation. So, long story short, I went ahead and bought this, and I want to do a quick review of it, and what better way to review the product than to actually see if it works. So, let me give you a little brief details about it, and here it is. But basically, it's a Traxxas 600 amp peak 12-volt car jump starter. You can start motors up to 6.2 liter gas and 5.0 diesel. So I have a Dodge Ram 5.9 liter, which is also dead, so I'm gonna see if it'll jump start that too. I'm gonna put the link in the description below, so you can check it out for yourself or purchase it for yourself. I get no kickbacks for this or anything. I'm just trying to review this product to see if it's something, you know, that actually works and if it could benefit you, and if it does, great. It's got 5-star rating, so that's why I pulled the trigger and got it. So it's $69.97. That's really not bad, and yeah, so let's go test this out. This little case. Open it up. This is what it looks like, and you charge it as soon as you get it. You charge it for before you use it. Here's the power button right here. As you can see, it's fully charged. Got all these accessories. Here's the charger. You got instructions here, but nah, don't use that. Got this little zipper here that comes with all kinds of goodies. You can actually charge your cell phone with this, hook this up to your car's cigarette lighter. You can charge your cell phone with these cables. What else we got? Here is your battery cables for jump starting your car. It tells you, for those who aren't familiar with jump starting their car, if you put the positive on the negative and the negative on the positive, this will warn you. It'll say that you got it reversed, and it'll light up red, and it'll tell you you need to switch it, and then when it's correct, it'll light up green. Got this boost button here. Not sure what that is, so I'm going to be learning as I record this, because this will be my first time using this. You got the engine start little tab here. You plug this into that, and then there's some instructions right here, basically telling you don't press the boost before connecting the car battery. You know, just make sure you read all the instructions before you do anything. Right here's where you plug it in to charge it. It goes right there. That goes in the wall outlet, obviously. Here's the output, 12 volts. Here's your USB ports right here. And of course you got this thing here, which I guess you can actually charge this in the car, I'm assuming. I don't know, maybe these instructions might come in handy. Alright, so let's go to the Mustang and see if we can resurrect it. Okay guys, again, we're back. We're inside the Mustang. Got the wife in the driver's seat. And I know how to do this, so I think it's really important that if you have your mom, your sister, your daughter, your niece, any female in your life, they should know how to jump start their own car. They should know how to change a tire on their car. They should know how to fix a flat, all that good stuff. Because let's face it, it's a cold world out here. Really can't trust anybody. And, you know, with that being said, it's good if if you have AAA or something like that, that's fine and good. But I can't be there all the time. And let's say her cell phone dies. But if she has this track life with her, she can jump start her car and get going. So I'm going to attempt to teach her how to jump start this Mustang. So we can definitely verify that it is dead. Try to start it. This is a manual, remember, so you have to take it out of gear. Put your foot on the clutch before. Okay. Now, clutch all the way in.
Yes.
Foot on brake.
Yes.
Try to start. And she's dead. What do you do?
Call you.
I'm not available. What do you do? Where it says engine start right there, that little blue cable,
Yes.
that goes in here.
Okay.
Let me show them that. Let me show them that. So that blue cable, that's right there, goes in here.
Has positive and negative.
Yes. So, all right. So that's in. Okay. Now, pop the hood. Underneath the steering column, right next to the speaker, it says hood, and it says pull it towards you. Okay. When you hear that click, the hood's popped. Good. Take that rod there, and you find where it says rod.
It says prop.
Rod, prop, whatever. Okay. Where's your battery?
Right there.
Okay. Show me what's positive. Show me what's negative.
Positive, negative.
Correctamundo. Hook up your positive first, then hook up your negative. If you hook it up wrong, this will tell you that you hooked it up wrong with that red indicator on there. Okay. You hear that beep?
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Says
That's
come.
letting you know it's correct. If it was wrong, it would say you have it reversed, and it would let you know. Now, turn on the power button. Okay. Now hit that boost button.
Where's that?
Right there. Okay, you hear that?
Yeah.
It got some juice. Now go in and try to crank it. It's doing good, guys. All right, we got a ding. Okay.
Oh, this time.
Okay. Try. It seems like it gets stronger. So hopefully with the third or maybe the fourth try, she'll start. Only thing I don't understand is why I have to keep disconnecting, this part to make it stop flashing. I guess I have to read the instructions. That might help.
Men don't usually do that.
Come on. You can do it. Almost. Try it now. Wow. Finally.
She's alive! Alive!
doing something wrong. I think I turned on the power instead of just hitting the boost button. So that wasn't a product, that was just me. But I think it would have worked on the first time. But trial and error, we're all learning here together, and that's what it's all about. So yeah, this Track Life product really works good. Man, I hate the fucking winter. I can't wait till summer comes. Winter's for the... I can't stand it. Alright, now that she's idled down a little bit, I'm gonna have her rev the engine. Rev it a little bit. A little more. Oh yes. I gotta race this against my Stinger real quick. Who y'all think gonna win? My money's on the, I don't know. It's gonna be a close race. Back in '07, these was rated at 300 and maybe 300 horsepower. The Stinger has like 365, 367. So this is a V8, that's a V6, but that's got twin turbos. I don't know. I think it'll be a good race. But if y'all want to see that race, I gotta get some likes. I gotta get some subscribers. Likes and subscribers. If I get to 100, we'll make that race happen. 100 plus subscribers, we'll make that happen. So, did you find that easy or difficult?
It was easy once you figured out how to make sure you put everything in. You just have to do it a couple of times, but
I think I messed up. What I did, I hit the power button. What I should have did was just hit the boost button. And I think, reading instructions might have...
Yeah, I thought that that's probably what you do. Is don't keep hitting the power button. Just plug it in, hook it up, your positive and negative, and then push the boost button. You don't have to hit the power button.
What are you trying to say?
You don't read directions.
Smart ass.
Then you better go up to the stop sign, turn around, come back. Woo! It said low tire pressure.
Mm-hmm.
Ride it up the hill and then come back. Just go up to the stop sign. And that noise is
seatbelt. Mustang is calling out the Kia.